Hi everyone. Today I will explain you the book exercises of chapter 4 Partho the Park Keeper. The first exercise is given on page number 26 in which you have to cross the things that Partho and his team did not do. The answers are option 3rd and 4th as Partho and his team did not pluck all the flowers and they did not cut down the trees. Exercise C. Number these sentences in the correct order to sum up the story. To sum up the story means to retell the story in short. The first one is already done for you. Partho was a park keeper. Second, he worked with a team of 5 people. Third, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. Likewise, you can number the remaining sentences by yourself and then check the answers from the answer key. Students, before moving on to next exercise, I will explain some topics to all of you so that you can do the next exercise easily by yourself. Vowels and consonants. A, E, I, O, U. These all are vowels. And the remaining letters are consonants like B, C, D, etc. Now let us compare the articles a and an. We use a before words which begin with consonants. Consonants I already told you before like B, C, D, F, etc. For example, a doctor, a big car, a girl. We use an before words which begin with vowels. That is, which begins with A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an interesting film. Next, let's compare article a or an and the. We usually use a or an with a noun to talk about a person or thing for the first time. Like a CD player. Here we are talking about the CD player for the first time. That is why we have used the article a. We usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again. The CD player that Mary bought. Here we have used the article the because we are talking about the CD player that Mary bought. Students, you can understand all these things better by an animated video that will be played after this.
When do we say a dog and when do we say the dog? Do we ever say and dog? We use a and an before the names of things we talk about for the first time. We use a before a consonant sound and an before a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are the sounds that the letters A, E, I, O, U make. Therefore, we say a banana, a guava, an apple, and an orange. We say a horse. However, when we say R, it's pronounced as R. This is a vowel sound. Therefore, we say an R. We use the before the names of things we know already. We say, Mother packed me a sandwich. I ate the sandwich for lunch. We say, I saw a tiger and an elephant at the zoo. The elephant was really big. We say, the moon is shining brightly. as we know that there is only one moon. A, an, and the are called articles.
I hope you understood the articles well. Now we are going to do the exercise. Given on page number 27 and 28. Circle the correct word to complete each sentence. Number 1. Leela has a or an orange. You can see orange begins with vowel O. That is why we will use article an before it. And in the next sentence after the full stop we can see she shares a or the orange with her brother. Now here we are talking about the orange for the second time. So we will use the article the. Okay, likewise second, third and fourth along with sentence fifth you can do by yourself. Exercise B. Complete these sentences with a, an or the. Number 1. He is an artist. Why an will come? Because artist is starting with the vowel A. That is why an will come. And she is a doctor because here doctor is starting with a consonant. Second one. I drink dash glass of milk. A glass of milk. Because glass is starting with consonant. And eat dash egg for breakfast. An egg because egg starts with a vowel E. Number 3. Dia has a raincoat because raincoat is starting with a consonant. Her brother Raju uses an umbrella because umbrella starts with a vowel. Number 4. There is a small school in our village. Here we will use a because here small is starting with a consonant. Next, we live near dash school. Now students, in the same question we are talking about the school for the second time. That is why here we have used the article the. And the last one, we watched dash film called Cinderella, a film called Cinderella because here film is starting with consonant F. And again we are talking about film after this. So that is why we have used the article the. That is, we enjoyed the film very much. So it will be like, we watched a film called Cinderella. We enjoyed the film very much. I hope it is very much clear to you that we will use the article a or an when we are talking about anything for the first time. And if we are talking about the same thing for the second time, then we are going to use the article the. Let's see the next exercise given on the same page. Answer these questions with the opposites of the words in color. Look at the words in the box for help. Some words are written in color. You have to write its opposite word from the box given. Like, is the rabbit a large animal? Large is written in color. So, what you will do? You will write its opposite word. No, it is a small animal. Similarly, opposite of short is tall. Near, far. Does this room look bright? Bright is the highlighted word. So its opposite is dull. Old, new, dirty, clean. I hope you understood today's book exercises well. Thank you so much. Bye.